make you a quick video because certain people on TikTok are saying things that just don't make sense. So, the Mkwanazi fans, the Masimola fans, the Kumalo fans, Kobichinara, come a little bit closer. We need to talk. I'm just going to talk about one thing, just one thing. I'm going to talk to you about the PKTT. The 100 million rand a year waste of money, investigating almost no dockets, coming up with almost zero results, leaving a body count behind that is shocking. They're killing minors, they're killing innocent people. They come to your house, they arrest you in the presence of your family, they handcuff you, and somewhere between your house and the police station, you end up dead. Now, how is it possible that a man in handcuffs needs to feel maximum force? It doesn't make any sense. But let's move on from there. December the 6th, 2024. Vusikat Matlala is raided. They raid his house. We can agree on this. This is a fact. This is confirmed both by General Mkwanazi and Vusikat Matlala. The reason for the raid is that they are looking for Jerry Bashoko. For those of you that don't know, Jerry Bashoko is an alleged drug dealer. I can't understand why the Political Killing Stars team is looking for a kidnapped drug dealer, and I'm sure most of you can't, but I'm sure most of you are reaching for explanations because you need to defend Mkwanazi. But the Political Killing Stars team, which General Mkwanazi is adamant is a KZN issue, Senzo Mkhunu is adamant it's a national task team, but we leave that for the commission to decide. But Mkwanazi was adamant that the Political Killing Stars team is a KZN issue. It's a KZN unit. The KZN unit finds its way to Gauteng, Pretoria actually, to look for a drug dealer, an alleged drug dealer. Not a politician, not a political cold case, a drug dealer. Okay, I'm sure the Mkwanazi fans can make sense of this. I can't, but anyway. Vusikat Matlala says in the committee under oath that no warrant was produced. Now, I don't hold the brief of Vusikat Matlala. I think he's a criminal. And I don't understand how a criminal is awarded a 360 million rand contract. I don't by the South African Police Services of all things. But at any rate, so Vusikat Matlala says under oath that they didn't show me a warrant. And then we ask around, because that's what we do. We can't find a warrant. And then you realize it would be hard to obtain a search warrant if you don't have the docket. The PKTT, at the time of the raid, was not in possession of the docket into the disappearance of Jerry Bashoko. Do you understand what this means? There isn't a policeman in the country, not even the National Commissioner, not even Mkwanazi with his superpowers, who can investigate a case without the docket. It's impossible.